What's up, everybody? This is your boy Kerwin Stewart here again today with another exciting video. And on today's video, I'm actually going to unbox the new iPhone XR, iPhone XR, whatever they call it these days. But I have it here with me in Korea. So other than that, let's go ahead and unbox it. Hit it. Now, with that being said, thank you guys so much for being here. Once again, my name is Kerwin Stewart, and on my channel, I talk about military-related issues or stuff. I talk about gaming, tech videos, and basically anything that I happen to like. I am a young YouTuber who just enjoys making content and putting it out there and seeing how people react to it. So if you hit the subscribe button, you'll be able to follow me on that journey. But other than that, let's get straight into the video. Now, what I have in my hand right now is the iPhone Red XR. Now you might ask, hey, why would you choose, out of all the colors that Apple happens to provide, why would you choose the red color? Now, I'm a person who wants to give something back to the world, and I think with my money, a few dollars can go to HIV and AIDS research. And with the Product Red lineup, that's what they do. When you buy a product, some of that money goes to help getting towards HIV and AIDS research. So this is a great thing, so I'm like, why not? Well, let's go ahead and unbox this beast of a phone, the iPhone XR. Now, normally when you get a product from Apple, it comes with the standard white box, and as you can see from this box here right now, it has the iPhone logo, but it's in red, and it changed colors, which is pretty cool based on the box that you get. So I like that. But other than that, let me go ahead and remove the packaging. Alright, so in the box is the designed by Apple in California. Normal stuff, the Product Red, and basically that says, hey, you're giving money to research of certain things, and which is awesome. And they have the hello pamphlet, stickers, instruction manuals, oh, and a pen so I can, the SIM card, which is awesome. I'm really happy that they're putting these in phones these days, because I need this because I switched between phones. I have two different phones, my Galaxy Note 9 and now my iPhone XR, and I need to switch between the SIM cards in order to access the phone or have service on my phone, so which is pretty cool. Now, here it is. This is the iPhone XR Product Red edition. Red back, red sides. This is awesome. And the plastic. Now, if you're like me, I don't want to remove the plastic from the phone. The reason why, because like, this is the only time it's not going to have fingerprints on it. And man, this phone looks good, and it's light, and it's just fierce. That's the word for the day, fierce. This is a fierce phone, and it's gonna go really good with my Apple Watch that I have. So yeah, this is awesome. So other than that, I don't want to, but I gotta remove the plastic on the phone, so let's go ahead and remove it. Man, this is the sucky part. Now in the box, it does have the dongle and headphones and a USB charging port. I wouldn't say this is a dongle, this is the power adapter, because they removed the dongle from the phones, so you no longer you have to now pay extra money to get that dongle. I wonder how much it costs. But I mean, the only thing left to do now that I have the phone and it's unboxed and it's right here in my room is to power it on. So I'm gonna go ahead and push the power button. Awesome. So that classic Apple logo, and along with many different languages, this first thing it's going to tell me is hello, and to swipe up. Awesome. So I'm going to select my language, which is English. select your country or region. I'm going to put the United States, even though I'm in Korea right now. And I can do a quick startup manual, log on to a hotspot, and now the phone is activating. It says it's going to take a couple minutes for my phone to activate. So now I just wait for it to activate. Now I'm going to have to get a case for this. I don't know where I'm going to find one because this phone is not out in Korea as yet. It doesn't get released until a couple of weeks later than the United States, so they may not have the cases and things like that that I need, but I'll find it eventually. It says data and privacy, continue. And now because it no longer has the button, the home button, you now have to use Face ID. Now, how to set up Face ID. So as I'm doing the Face ID, I'm really thinking to myself, position my face, if I'm doing the right thing. It seems kind of complicated, but I really do hope I'm doing the right thing. And yeah, just watch the video and you'll see. Second scan complete. So Face ID is now set up. And a passcode. Yeah. I think I'm gonna be like Kanye West. I'm gonna have my password as 00000. No, I'm not stupid. My password is not gonna be 0000. Now I have a backup on my MacBook. I'm going to basically restore from that, but other than that, this is my first impressions of, this is my first unboxing of the Apple iPhone XR Red, product Red Edition. Please stay tuned for a first impressions video, and I'll tell you guys what I truly feel about the phone and what I think Apple, what path they're on with these XR series or the X series of Apple and stuff of that nature. But thank you guys so much for checking out this video. If you like what you see, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Please be safe out there, and peace.